Wheel spacer safe for daily driving on Tesla Model S.
Upgrading performance with 25mm Tesla Model S wheel spacers is safe for daily driving. If you install them correctly, quality spacer won't cause any problems. In reality, properly installed car wheels with 25mm wheel spacers are as safe as wheels without spacers. One common complaint about wheel spacer is that they cause wheel bolts break. The Tesla Model S wheel spacers themselves won't cause bolt failure, as long as you use high-quality spacers and install them properly to prevent flexing and loss of clamp force. 25mm Tesla Model S wheel spacers are a very safe mode for daily driving. Choosing the wheel spacers with the grade 12.9 wheel studs is one of the aspects to keep safe driving, which has higher strength than the grade 10.9 one. BONOSS wheel stud with better corrosion resistance, bringing safety to your driving.
So that's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.